In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to get tax exempt on Amazon when using Amazon as a supplier for dropshipping. Amazon has a tax exemption program that allows you to make purchases without paying sales tax if you are a reseller. All you need is a sales tax permit from a state in which your business is registered. Once you have the permit, you can apply for tax exemption on Amazon. The average sales tax rate in the United States is around 7%, so you can effectively save 7% on your orders. Or, to put it another way, you can increase your profit margins by 7% with tax exemption. Getting tax exempt is a two-step process. The first step is to obtain a sales tax permit, also known as a sales tax license or a seller's permit. You will need to register for this permit with your state. This is assuming you already have a business registered in the state in which you are conducting business. If you don't have a registered business with the state, you will not be able to obtain a sales tax permit. I'm not a professional tax advisor, so I cannot offer you guidance on how to register for a sales tax permit. However, TaxJar has a great guide on how to register for this permit in any state, which I will provide a link to in the description below. The second step of getting tax exempt on Amazon is applying through Amazon's tax exemption program. As a reseller or dropshipper, you are not liable for sales tax since you are not the end user of the product. Your eBay customer is the end user, and eBay is already collecting sales tax from the customer. The product is effectively being double taxed if you're buying the item on Amazon and paying sales tax, because both Amazon and eBay are charging sales tax on the same item going to the same customer. To get started with the application, go to the Amazon Tax Exemption Program link located at the bottom right corner of your account page. You don't need an Amazon business account for tax exemption, so you can select No Thanks, Set up tax exemptions with my current account. There are 48 states/territories listed here. There are 5 states that do not levy a sales tax. Those states are Alaska, Delaware, Montana, New Hampshire, and Oregon. They are not listed here except for Alaska because Alaska has several municipal governments that do collect sales tax. We need to select the states that don't require forms to be uploaded or require specific state permit numbers. The states that require forms to be uploaded include Alaska, District of Columbia, Florida, Louisiana, Maine, New Mexico, and Puerto Rico. The states that require additional information include California, Hawaii, Illinois, Maryland, Massachusetts, Mississippi, and South Carolina. If your business is based in one of these states, you can select that state because you will have the required documentation for tax exemption. You can also select all the states if you have the required documentation, but for most people, they will only have a sales tax permit from the state in which their business is based. If Colorado does not apply to you, click Save and Continue. Select Resale and Save and Continue. Click Continue. This is where you're going to fill out information about your company. Once you're done, save and continue. On this page, you're going to provide additional information required to generate the tax exemption forms. Select either yes or no and answer the questions. Once you're done, save and continue. Review the following information and click Continue. Sign and then save and continue. Check the box and then activate certificates. And now you're done. Within 15 minutes, you should have tax exemption. If you found this content useful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will be sharing more advanced strategies in upcoming videos. If you would like to get started with dropshipping, please consider using my referral links below. Thank you so much for your support.